Leader ka? Never mind.
Fourth place, we have one amethyst.
Oh?
Third place, we have 4 crystals. Second place, we have 1 emerald. Any representative of 1 emerald? Yes. And our champion for the magical competition, none other than 4. Come out! Congratulations!
Ano eh? Flo na?
Now, for the recently concluded Dance Expo competition, we have in 5th place 1 emerald. 1 emerald. And 4th place, we have 2 Yamal. Yay! And landing on 3rd place, Still, on 4th place, we have Yama. Landing in 3rd place, we have 4 Brooklyn. Short Brooklyn, 3rd.
Joren, ikaw na lang. Virgil, ikaw na lang. Virgil!
And champion na lang. Now landing on 2nd place, we have 3 Galileo. 3 Galileo, certificate nyo. Anyway, sabi pala ni Charles kay Bill, hi. Hi now, Bill from Charles. Congratulations, and once again, our champion for the Dance Expo, we have 4. Come on! Congratulations! And for the overall ranking, we have in 5th place. Oh, tayo pala at 5th place. Okay, this is Big Jackal and Mustafa, and I'm signing off.
Salamat po sa pag-attend ng maska.
Salamat sa pag-attend ng maska! Announcement lang, bago kayo